Hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs. So today we learn about ultimate SD upscale. So this is the node we use in a whole series of upscaling methods. I already discussed some of the methods in the previous videos in the ComfyUI playlist. So this is the next video of that only. But we see how to use the ultimate SD upscale with all the nodes, all the details into it. And we understand how we use in the proper way. Okay, so first, if you didn't watch that video, just watch that upscaling video. Link in the description on the I button also. Let's go to SD upscale. The basic way that you can input the image. This is the load image only. You can choose load checkpoint. You need to connect the checkpoint model, positive node, negative node, and VA. And the major thing is the upscaling model. If you want the particular upscaling model in that, you can use that. So there are certain upscaling models, just like 4x. This is real ESR 2x, real ESR 4x, 8x. You can use it, and 12x is also there, but I don't download it. You can install it from the manager and you can use it. And there is custom samplers. If you want to add your custom samplers, we talk about samplers in this one. So let's start with the upscaled by. So let's start with the nodes, how to use it and all the things. First thing, upscaled by. So upscaled by 2. So for what does it mean? So for example, your image is 512 by 512, or you upscale by 2. That means you changing your image to 512 by 512 to 1024 into 1024. So this is first thing. Seed is the number of your image which you give to your image. If you use same seed, next time you got the same image. Step is how many steps you want to reduce the denoising strength. Basically denoise the number of steps you want. In the first lecture we discussed this thing, how this whole diffusion process is coming. The whole image generation process is coming using the steps and all the things. CFG is the guidance of the prompt, how much you want to give the guidance to your prompt. The sampler in the first video, we already discussed about the samplers. It's like Euler's A and the other. So in the samplers, we already see in the first video. If you didn't watch that, you can check it out in the I button. So we discuss about the Euler and the different samplers, how to use that, and for which thing we can use different sampler. Scheduler is the noise schedule, how much noise you want to reduce, or in the linear function. For example, normal means it is a linear function. You reduce noise in the linear function means if you reduce noise first time x numbers, then in the next time you should always remove x numbers only. So it is a process like that. So if you use normal, it is like that. Denoising strength, the how much denoising strength you want to give, you can give maximum, you can give 0 also. And secondly, model types, you want to give upscaling method, which method you are using. So for example, linear mostly we use for the smooth upscaling. So it will upscale in the smooth method, and tiled height, width and height is the tile diffusion, the padding you are giving up. For example, there is pixel. Okay. Breaking the image into smaller tiles. Okay. And then upscale it is more effective. Okay. Then mask blur is for example, you break the whole image 512 by 512 into 8 by 8 pixels. Then it blurs some of the part of the edges. So it will, when you upscale that thing, it is more better detailing in that one. So we see this thing. And there is one scene fixing. So when the tile diffusion in that way, we 8 by 8 box and we blur the edges, when we fix that thing, this is a scene fixing like that. And for example, let's see some images, let's use how to use in the ComfyUI this module, this node. And for example, this is the reptile image I gave you. This is the load image, directly you can load it. Let's use it with the model we are using is SDXL Real Vision V40. I put all the links in the description. You can check it out there. Let's run it. We give the same configurations here. It takes some time, so we give the 20 steps, so it will go through all the 20 steps and give you the images. And we use the image comparison also, so we can see the difference in our image and the previous. So let's wait for some time. Okay, so we got the image. let's compare this one. So we generated this image. So we see this is the model we use and we got this image. So this is the flat in the input image you see which we provided. This is the input image and we see the output is more detailing we give to this one. So this is the difference we are using in the ultimate upscale. So you can use this node in your workflows to upscale it if you want to need this particular node. So this will help you a lot for more detailing and all the things. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel, share the video with your all AI friends, ComfyUI developers. Thank you.